Hi there. Today our topic is about key controls on payroll. We have a dialogue between Kevin, Senior HR Manager, and Connie, Head of IA. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here's the conversation.
Hello, Kevin. We are having an audit on payroll. Thanks for providing all the required documents.
Connie, no problems.
Kevin, currently, there is no payroll system used. May I know what control measures you have taken to ensure the payroll calculated is correct?
Connie, we have set a lot of formula in the Excel to calculate all the mandatory deductions, leave paid, overtime, etc. After calculating the net payroll this month, we will compare with the net payroll last month. If difference is not big, it should be fine. If difference is big, then we will check for new hire and left employees. If new hire is a senior management, this will cause the difference.
Okay, Kevin, any supporting documents on this?
We just compare off paper. We have been working on the payroll each month. We can estimate and know what's right or wrong.
Noted. Kevin, since there are no system controls, I have selected more samples in auditing the accuracy of the payroll data. Taking current months as an example, here are the findings. Firstly, there is one left employee still on payroll, 3 workers on factory payroll, but physically not exist. Secondly, there are 3 employees with miscalculated payroll. Kevin, in terms of financial implications, it's not significant. However, there is some sort of internal control breakdown in this area.
Connie, this is not my excuse. However, the company is growing, but still no budget for a comprehensive HR system. Our team has tried our best already.
Kevin, I shall explain and brief you what are the key controls.
This is normal for an auditor to check more in depth when controls are manual or in the past audit. Results are not satisfactory. Since HR has no system, definitely IA will select more samples. There are some key control measures that Kevin can implement in the payroll process. First, each month, HR of each location factory should prepare a staff movement report signed off by local HR manager. This staff movement reports has 3 categories: new hire, transfer, promotion, and terminated staff, showing the relevant and effective date. Ideally, these should be system generated directly from the system as it is more reliable. Next key control is the reconciliation of headcount and gross salary before deduction, this current month versus last month. With these 2 reports in place, the reviewer and approver will know how many in, transfer out, and left the company and their corresponding gross salary involved. Again, this report is ideal to be generated from system. As for the ghost employees on the payroll, if local HR has monitored all staff movement closely with proper personal file and record of each employee, this should not be happened. Same as for left employees still on payroll. Thirdly, about the miscalculation of payroll. With HR system in place, this error should be minimized. However, if Excel still in use, with the staff movement and reconciliation report in place, the mistakes will probably be spotted out and adjusted. To recap, here are the key control points. There are 2 reports that can help HR manager, reviewer, and approver to cross-check and reference for the movements of employees during the month. These are staff movement report and reconciliation of headcount and gross salary this month versus last month. It is ideally to generate these 2 reports from system as it is more reliable. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about Key Control on Procurement A, Part 1. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.